This is Japanese persimmon, a nutrient-rich fruit enjoyed for its natural sweetness and health benefits. Once consumed, Japanese persimmon enters the stomach, where digestion begins with gastric fluids breaking it down. In the intestines, nutrients from Japanese persimmon are absorbed, passing through the intestinal walls into the bloodstream. These nutrients travel throughout the body, supporting organs, muscles, and vital systems with renewed energy. Japanese persimmon provides antioxidants that support brain function, helping neurons communicate more efficiently. Essential nutrients nourish the muscles, supporting strength, recovery, and dietary fiber from Japanese persimmon promotes gut health by supporting beneficial bacteria in the intestines. This process results in a natural energy boost, improving vitality and supporting daily activity. Stomach irritation. However, excessive consumption may irritate the stomach lining, leading to discomfort or inflammation. In some individuals, Japanese persimmon can trigger allergic reactions, such as skin redness or irritation. High intake may also cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, flooding the bloodstream with excess glucose. Fatigue and balance. Moderation is key. Balanced consumption helps prevent fatigue and supports overall digestive and metabolic health.